Hi, my name is Andy Jones, and I have the project Prepositions or Adverbs. I'm in Miss Ketchell's class, period 3. So the first thing when comparing preposition and adverbs is that the preposition requires an object. What it means by an object is a thing that will add to it, basically, and while an adverb does not. This is the big difference that requires it, because it is due to see that the object will be included in a sentence and one will not. When talking about an adverb is a word or a phrase that modifies or qualifies an object, verb, or other adverb, word group, expression in relation to place, time, etc. For example, he drove slowly. Slowly is an adverb due to that it explains how he drove. While you think that drove may be an object, it isn't, because most of the time an object will be included after the adverb or the preposition is included. So this is one of the biggest differences to trying to find where the adverb is. Now, a preposition is a word governing or usually preceding a noun or pronoun and expressing a relation to another word or element. For example, she arrived after dinner. After is a preposition because it explains when she arrived at that time. Now in this sentence, dinner is the object, while arrived is just explaining when the preposition is included afterwards. She may also be included as an object, but it would have to be after her, not before dinner. Moving on to the workbook, it shows that many words can be either a preposition or an adverb, depending on how they are used. It says remember that prepositions always have an object, which I have explained earlier, while adverbs do not. Moving on to the exercises, this shows that number 1, once inside we took our jackets off. This is an adverb because it shows that we're taking our jackets off. It's not explaining afterward that there's an object that needs to be explained. On number 3, it says the splinter is just below the surface of the skin, which is a preposition. This is due to that it explains that just below the surface of the skin. Surface of the skin is the object, while below is the preposition that is explaining where the splinter is placed. Now on to exercise 2. This one shows that it has 2 sentences, and you must circle or find a word that will best fit both sentences. So for number 1, it says the cake has 2 layers of jelly, and for B, it says the Delaware River forms a legendary boundary between 2 states. The word that I believe fits correctly in between here is in between, and after letter B, between 2 states would be the object, and I would circle it. On number 2, this shows the sweater was made by hand, and one with the parade passed by. I would circle hand for the object for number A, or letter A, and for B, it would be an adverb because it doesn't have an object that would be explaining it. So once again, I hope that helps you with finding the difference between a preposition and an adverb.